Hello, I will tell you about my hobbies. I have several hobbies, namely crochet, embroidery, and cooking. Recently, I have been crochet more often in my free time right now. I have this hobby since I was in vocational high school. I was inspired by my teacher at that time who could crochet by himself. From then, I also want to be able to crochet and start crochet by looking at patterns on YouTube. I bought the yarn for my project from online market, and I have made several crochet projects such as bags, decorative flowers, and keychains. Some of them but the result of my project and they like it, and I'm very happy with my hobbies because it allows me to have an activity that stop my brain saying tough. Thank you for your attention.